What'd you do today? Did you go shopping? Yeah. You went to the outlet mall, didn't you? Did you go to the car dealer? Did you pick out a car? What color was it? Was it a silver one? Huh? A black one? Really? Yeah? Are you drooling because we're talking about cars? Yeah. Oh. Yeah. What color was the interior? Do you remember? You test drove it, really? Uh-huh. Yeah. Good fun, huh? What else did you do? Oh, you kicked Mommy in the face. Yes. Huh. Hey, can you pick your nose? Huh. Can you pick your nose? Can you do it this one? Wow. So much to say. Yeah? Did Mommy buy you more outfits? Huh? Because you're outgrowing the ones you have? Yeah. These are supposed to be 6 months. You're only 3. Huh? When are Mommy gonna buy you all these outfits?